You get the best of both worlds. You get that sort of introduction into the adult world, as you could say, but then you're also educating yourself and learning.
Anybody above 16 years of age can apply for an apprenticeship, and that includes our staff that work within the trust as well.
We're proud of our apprenticeship programmes here at the Trust, which combine practical work experience with academic study, offering pathways from GCSE equivalent qualifications right up to master's level training. From clinical to non-clinical roles, apprenticeships at the Trust help individuals develop essential skills, gain hands-on experience and progress towards fulfilling careers. Ahead of National Apprenticeship Week next week, I'm thrilled to revisit a story that highlights the opportunities and lasting impact of our apprenticeship programmes.
We have a range of apprenticeships available here within the Trust, and these cover clinical and non-clinical roles as well. And the apprenticeships are available starting from level 2 all the way up to level 7. So a level 2 apprenticeship will be equivalent to GCSE qualifications, and then level 6 and 7 will be equivalent to a bachelor's degree or a master's programme. Anybody above 16 years of age can apply for an apprenticeship, and that includes our staff that work within the Trust as well. An apprenticeship route gives people that opportunity to further develop their skills and their career all the way up into sort of senior management levels, which is what some of the level 7 apprenticeships can really offer that support with.
When college didn't turn out well, one of the first jobs I worked was in a takeaway. I can recall on my first shift, my manager's kind of telling me, what are you doing here? And that was kind of the eye-opener for me. I didn't really know about apprenticeships to start off with, because obviously when you hear the NHS, you know about the clinical, the nurses, the frontline staff, you could say, but you don't realise the amount of opportunities you can get from a non-clinical perspective. At that point, I had no idea what I wanted to do, and it did take me a couple of years to kind of find my feet. And I think with both apprenticeships that I've done, it's helped instill a bit of confidence in myself and also in terms of what I want to do going down the line.
I started an apprenticeship in healthcare at Airedale Trust in 2006. It allowed me to get that hands-on experience, and I worked across a range of placement areas, different wards, and it really gave me that grounding experience of delivering care. Generally, how an apprenticeship programme would work is you would be based within a job role here in the Trust 4 days a week, and normally you would go to a training provider or college 1 day a week. You will get supported time to make sure that you can complete all of the learning elements of your programme. If you are struggling, if you need that bit of extra support, we have a team that can support you, and you can also receive that support from the college as well. And it's about working with the community as well to make sure that we offer lots of opportunities for our community to come and work in the Trust. We really want our apprentices to do well, because the overall goal is that you will come and you'll do your apprenticeship here, and then you will stay on and gain employment with us at the Trust.
Apprenticeships is the best route to go, in my opinion. I think you get the best of both worlds. You get that sort of introduction into the adult world, as you could say, but then you're also educating yourself and learning. And I think education is the key. As long as you're always learning, you're always developing, you're always becoming a better version of yourself. So I would tell the young version of myself to just remain optimistic, keep your head up.
I'm a huge advocate for apprentices, because having obviously done one myself, I sort of really understand the benefits that by doing an apprenticeship programme, it brings to the individual and the Trust and the team that you work within as well.